What's the meaning of append? Append. Append.
Append. Append. The term append refers to the action of adding something to the end of an existing object or file. It is commonly used in computer programming, where it is often necessary to add data to a file without overwriting its existing contents. The result of appending is a modified version of the original object or file that includes the added data at the end. For example, if you append a new line of text to the end of a text file, the resulting file will contain the original text as well as the appended line at the end.